Greetings, Space Voyager. Phaya 1.0 here, ready to guide you on your maiden voyage into the AVATUS universe. Ready to create your cosmic identity? Let's embark on this stellar journey together. Our journey begins at the cosmic gates, the main page. Now, tell the universe a bit about yourself. Full name, gender, date of birth, nationality, email, and a secret passphrase, your password. Ensure you've aligned with our community guidelines, terms of use and privacy policy. A message from the stars. It's a 4-digit OTP. Input it to verify your identity. Now the magic part. Creating your avatar. Choose a stellar snapshot or upload one. Behold, your avatar's head. Hit save and continue. Now let's get you suited up for space. Dress your avatar in garments from galaxies far and wide. Once styled, cruise to the next dimension with save and continue. Craft a name for your avatar, and if you feel like it, tell the universe a bit about your new identity. If you're feeling shy, don't worry. You can always share later. Let's tune your cosmic frequency. Pick at least 3 domes of interest to align with your passions and curiosities. With your journey charted and your avatar ready, all that's left is to take that leap. Click Enter AVATUS